everyone, welcome to my channel Riya's Techno World. In this video, I am going to tell about some useful shortcut keys. So let's start. If you have to write the sentence in bold, press CTRL B in your keyboard. You have to select CTRL I in your keyboard to type in italic. To underline a text, select CTRL U in your keyboard. If you have to write in superscript, select CTRL+SHIFT+ in your keyboard. And to write in subscript, select CTRL+ in your keyboard. Backspace is used to remove text from right to left, and delete is used to remove text from left to right. CTRL+X is used to cut the selected text, and CTRL+V is used to paste it. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos.